Cuckoo everyone, welcome back. Now, I read a lot of your comments and I noticed that for some of you it was going slower instead of faster. So I decided to run more tests to understand what was happening to you and to bring a solution to it. This is what I'm going to call the table test, where you can see how far you can jump. As you can see, this is how far you jump without the need of a glitch or a bug. Pretty much 3 tables only. And this will help as a reference to know if the glitch is working or not. So let's start by choosing a weapon, and now I'm going to show you that I'm not using any bug, any glitch or anything. This is the normal player you use every day. No surprises here, everything looks normal. I'm moving the way you should move every time. So let's begin. You already know the steps. Take out weapon, crouch, put weapon away, lean to the right, move backwards, and while you're moving backwards you take out your weapon. And I'm moving actually really slow now because I did something wrong. This is a problem that many of you were having, and I came up with different solutions for you. For example, in this case, I crouch, run, and the speed bug is turned on now. There's no way you're going to go back to normal. You either have the speed glitch or the slow glitch. Now I'm going to show you the table test, and as you can see I'm jumping farther than before. But no, you fast forward the video because when you fast forward you can jump farther. Yeah, sure. I need to exit to run more tests and try it again. We are back here. I'm going to do some steps, and as you can see it's working as promised. But if you pay attention, you will know that I did something a little bit different. Table test for the haters. You can watch the timer all you want. Time to do it again. Just a little reminder, I want to show you again how you jump, like when you normally jump, without the need of any glitch or bug. Only 3 tables, I cannot get to the last one. I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to do it a little bit slower. But pay close attention to the last steps where I stop and I put my weapon back. Speed bug is working, time to go, and let's try it again. Please consider I'm changing weapons, so you will not think it's the same recording. Now here I stopped, I didn't put my weapon away, and now I'm really slow. Now let's do a table test while being slow so you can see the difference. I can only jump only 1 table. If I want to fix this, here's another solution for you. And we are back to the speed glitch. Table test for the win, and as always I'm showing you the proof. I'm going to exit and I'm going to try it again. Okay, please ignore that. Let me show you the same thing again. I do the steps that you already know. I stop, I didn't put my weapon away, and guess what? I'm going to be slow. To fix it, I'm going to prone this time, and then you're going to move really fast. Table test as usual. And let's go. Never expect to have a bug or glitch that will work perfectly every time. I'm going to put my weapon away, and I have the speed glitch. If I don't put my weapon away, I will have the slow glitch. So I just wanted to solve the mystery and explain why some people were moving fast and why some people were moving slow. The last step seems to be the most important one, so please don't forget about it. And if it's not working for you, just try it again and you will have your own results. Even the first steps are not even important to make this work. Thank you Perla for sharing this. Last example where I show you I'm doing something wrong, and yes, as you can imagine, instead of going fast, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to go really slow. These glitches don't work with a melee weapon. Take that into account. And if I'm doing this, it's because I want to show you guys that these problems exist, and hopefully you can help me report them, which seems to be the case. This game has a lot of glitches and bugs and problems, and the worst thing you can do is just ignore them, because they will become a problem in the next version, and in the next one, and in the next one, and each time we play the game there are going to be more and more problems. In the end, it's going to be really frustrating to open the app, and the worst thing is that all of this can happen to you even if you don't try to do it. I've been having a slow bug problem since a long time ago, and thanks to the speed bug I'm really glad now I can understand it better and find a solution. I promise you guys, there are worse glitches in this game. Imagine if this happens if you're playing a tournament. Whose fault it is? The developers because they didn't fix it? Or it was your fault because it was an accident? Thank you so much for those 6,000 people that understood my point and did something about it. And if I'm saying these glitches are dead, it's because they weren't working in the beta, and I don't expect them to appear in the next version, which is coming out tomorrow. Because if these things weren't fixed, I'm going to be really upset. Brace yourselves guys, because this week is going to be insane. I'm going to make a review about the update, as I did last time. I need to upload a first-person shooter gameplay for you guys. I also want to record a new arcade mode, and I'm even going to upload a crates opening this week, because I want to get rid of all the coins I have. Stay tuned for all that. Welcome to 1000 subscribers. I'm working on my 1000 special video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will not scope you soon. Tschüss.